Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video we will fix the HP LaserJet Enterprise M606. First, let me show you what is the problem with this printer. Fuser error. Power on. Fuser error. Common error codes that replacing the fuser will fix are 50.11 fuser error, 50.1 fuser error, 50.2 fuser error, 50.3 fuser error, 50.4 fuser error, 50.5 fuser error, 50.7 fuser error, 50.8 fuser error, and 50.9 fuser error. Replace fuser error. Power off. Let's fix it. Unplug the power cord. Remove the duplexer or the duplex accessory cover. Open the bin. Squeeze the hinge pin on your left out of its mounting hole. And pull the bin to the left to release the other hinge pin. Remove the fuser. Squeeze the blue release tabs and pull the fuser straight back to remove it. This is our new fuser assembly part number E6B67-67901. Install the replacement fuser by inserting it. Push the fuser firmly, listen for the sound of both blue levers clicking into place. Reinstall the plastic rear cover. Reinstall the duplexer. Connect the power cord and test the printer. Next, after installing a maintenance kit, we should reset the printer's maintenance count at Administration menu. 1. Press the home button on the printer's control panel. 2. Select supplies. 3. Select maintenance kit. 4. Select reset supplies. 5. Select new maintenance kit. 6. Select yes to reset the maintenance kit counter. Now the printer is ready and you can test the printer and print. Go to Reports. Select Configuration Status Page. And select the page list you want to print. The last click or select Print. Thanks for watching, hope you learned something, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mabuhay. Peace.